it's Dorothy Harrison from Remax Hallmark. Thanks for joining me today. We are here at my newest listing. Welcome to number 35 Elliottglen Drive in North Ajax. This fantastic premium corner lot home is walking distance to top-ranked schools, tons of local amenities, shops, medical, the Deer Creek Golf Course, the Audley Rec Center, and so much more. We have one of the most prestigious locations in all of Ajax. I can't wait to show you the entire home. Let's head on inside and have a look. Here we are inside. This beautiful, spacious home has been updated from top to bottom with no details left behind. We have gorgeous luxury vinyl flooring throughout the entire main floor. Your kitchen, the heart of the home, has been beautifully updated with quartz counters and backsplash with custom cabinetry. We have potlights throughout the entire main floor. A beautiful, spacious layout which offers a separate family, living, and dining room, perfect for entertaining. The formal dining room offers the perfect space for your family gatherings. This layout offers the best of both worlds, having an open concept along with some separation. Your oak staircase leads to the second floor, which features the luxury vinyl flooring once again with beautiful pot lighting. We have a total of 4 plus 1 bedrooms on the second floor and a convenient second floor laundry. Your primary retreat offers a large walk-in closet, beautiful natural lighting with large windows, and a 4-piece ensuite bath. This is the absolute perfect place to call home. If you'd like to book a private showing or have any additional questions, again, it's Dorothy Harrison from Remax Hallmark. There's no place like home.